As we were pulling in, Fred spotted a hedgehog.
Guess what we're gonna look at?
Walking into the Auckland Botanical Gardens. And what are we gonna go look at? We're leaving the Botanical Gardens to go see the hedgehog as we come in close. Ready for this hedgehog, Jelena?
That's what that's from. Those little holes.
That's everybody squeaking over the hedgehog. Look at that little guy. Oh! Hi, little guy.
Even he stops.
He's like, what you guys doing? There you go, Fritz. You got to see your first wild hedgehog. Well, a wild city hedgehog. If he's a city hedgehog, is he wild?
Yeah. He ain't nobody's pet. He's very cute.
Yeah, he ain't nobody's pet. He's his own hedgehog. Magnolia area, Magnolia area.
We could do a big, like, loop, just go by the palms. Oh, yes. Go palms.
Fritz will want to go by the
palms.
And then back and come by the magnolias.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, snap. Oh, this just turned into a giant rock.
It's flat, and look at the ground. Look at that. It's paved, so you don't even have to get your... Oh, so close. You don't even have to... You don't even have to get your shoes dirty. Look at this. It's like your dream.
I did wear my white shoes. So it is very
Someone
nice.
forgot his hiking shoes.
I did forget my hiking shoes. Oh. So Tui over here just going to town. Urban trees. Ooh, look at these city trees. We have made it to the Magnolia place. There is some on here. I have never seen a palm tree this big.
It's a different kind. It's from Thailand, I believe.
You're from Thailand.
So I'm guessing it's from Thailand, if it says Thailand for him.
Probably.
It looks like ginger. I bet you it is. It is ginger. Look down here.
It's ginger?
It's ginger. Let's go. Yeah. We're trying to get to this Wintergardens. They're like, they're purple. Pretty.
Yep. It's very nice.
Ginger. Oh man. Sorry, bro. Wow.
Wow.
My bad.
Oh, you too. You too. I apologize.
Sorry. You said offended.
Yeah.
I love these pretty pink squishy.
I wonder if those are brass with that finish. Because isn't that what always goes turquoise? Brass? Bronze? Copper? It either starts with a B or a C.
Oh, this guy's pretty.
Oh, look at those nice little pink flowers. Red flowers. Pink red flowers. Magenta flowers. We is... Meow. What? Where is we?
Here.
Right, meow.
We want to be here.
No, we did that already.
We want to go back. We didn't go to the Magnolia area. There's no way we made it all the way over there. But we need to go
I think we did.
that way. We were just in the native plants area. Then walk through.
We were over here.
We just did this. Just a second. This was the garden food area. And we kept going.
Yeah, this was the food area,
the food
where
area.
we
Look.
started.
No.
We really know where we're at and where we went. We're going to aimlessly wander amongst the gardens until we find our way out of here. We're in the native plants area.
Cute.
Oh, tree ferns. Jelena. This is Jelena information.
Very nice.
We're at the Wintergardens that Fritz really wanted to go to.
Which I thought was at the Botanical Gardens because it's gardens.
That is actually why we went to the Botanical Gardens. Yeah,
But it wasn't.
no, it's actually right beside the aquarium that we just came from.
And that.
And there's the museum.
A tropical house and a house.
Winter garden because it says tropical. So she's like, winter, squeak, squeak, squeak. You see that? Those jigs of satisfaction. It does. It looks like an aquarium. octopus fruit.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Here. Touching a cactus? Did it poke you? What are you doing? You didn't ammo?
Squeakies.
Squeakids. The pansies.
These are ruffly pansies.
Roughly?
Look at these ruffles.
Looks like I could eat it. Little cactus. There's hee-hees of satisfaction. It's alien flower.
Looks like a dragon with its tongue out, you know?
Yep. Fritz found a black orchid. It's dark and brooding. A hair bear.
Ginger plant.
That's ginger?
Yeah. That's so cool.
Wow. Red ginger.
Yeah.
What'd you find there?
Yep. There on the ground.
It's on the green. Look at those fishies. Selena, it is hydrant peach. Right there. Flame of the woods.
I mean, the flowers look like it. Cacao beans right there.
Fresh cacao beans.
Yep, yep, yep.
Is it a chocolate bear?
I love chocolate.
It's a cactus tree
Yeah, it is. Little owls on
from Madagascar. Shalina, look at all these ferns.
ferns.
Did we go down? Yeah, we go down.
Of course we go down. Oh, wow. It's a brand new.
Very nice. Wow. A fern gully. Fern shelter bear. Fern shelter. You're not disappointed, Fritz? You're glad we came?
Oh my goodness.
Look at them.
It's not even moss.
No. It's like
They look like clovers.
Oh.
Clover.
cloth.
I'll take.
Mover. Cloth or mover.
I mean, they're both pretty good.
Yeah. Fritz's favorite tree, the palm tree. That's giant. Poor bear getting rained on? Is that what you're scrunchy facing about?
What a day it's been, wandering the lush paths of the Botanical Gardens, marveling at every exotic and native leaf, and soaking in the quiet brilliance of New Zealand's green world. As we drive around the museum, we're reminded how vast and vibrant this landscape is. Until next time, keep exploring, stay inspired, and thanks for joining us on the scenic route.